Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Crypto Iceland. Today we are going to talk about best TRX and USDT mining site. This site name is nkusdt.com. So guys, I will tell you complete process that how you can earn money and earn TRX USDT by this site. First of all, you need to create an account on this site. I have provided the link of this platform in the video description. So first of all, click on link, then you will see the interface, this type of interface. Simply type your email, enter the login password, enter the security password, then click on submit button, sign up button. So I have already signed up the account, so now I click on sign in and sign in my account. Then I tell you the next process. Guys, after registration you can see here the announcement. The three major blockchain ecosystems jointly developed by global blockchain developers, and developers follow the concept of centralized network and decentralized network. www.nkusdt is a complete the most profitable and largest mining pool on the internet. Join us and develop together. Minimum deposit 1 USDT, unlimited withdrawal. The if you deposit itna USDT, the daily income is 18%. And guys, if you deposit in a USDT, daily income 20%. If you deposit in a TRX or USDT, daily income 25%. And if you deposit in a USDT, the daily income will be 30%. And if you deposit in a USDT, daily income 32%. You can see all the details announcement of the site. Refer new user 15% for level 1 user, 80% 8% for level 2 user, 3% for level 3 user. You invite level 1 to deposit 100 USDT and get 15 USDT. Level 1 invite level 2 to deposit 100 USDT and get 8 USDT. Level 2 invites level 3 to deposit 100 USDT and get 3 USDT. So I understand this. I click on now, and you can see the interface of this site. My total balance is 8,871.49 USDT, and you can see the interface of the site. Here is a base account, promotion account, experience account, and financial account. You can see use cloud mining and FE technology to ensure that all users get the most revenue. So you can see platform data display, membership and profit, and you can see global partners of this platform like WazirX, CoinDCX, Binance, Bitmain, and Tron etc. First of all, I tell you that how you can recharge on this site. So click on deposit button for recharging. So I click on deposit button. Then copy the address. You can see exchange rate 1 USDT 16.5 TRX. Just copy the address, and minimum address 1 USDT. Copy address. If you can also deposit through TRX. So I open my TRX Trust Wallet. Guys, you can also deposit through TRX and USDT. So I click on TRX and click on send button, and paste the recipient address and paste here TRX amount and click on continue button. When you click on continue button, you can easily deposit the amount through your any wallet. So I have Trust Wallet. You can easily deposit TRX on the site, and TRX and USDT, also TRX. So after the sending the amount of 1 USDT, just click on recharge completed. So I already deposit on this site. So recharge completed, you can see, and I show the transaction detail. So I click on finance record, and you can see I already deposit on this site. Promotion account, financial account, experience account. You can see finance record. Now guys, I click on trading, and you can see here my current profit 18%. VIP1 cloud mining is working. You will receive your trading profit after 24 hours. You can see the timer is running, and now I click on invest button. I show the plan of the site product. You can see investment plan. First is daily rate 3%, cycle 6 days. Number of purchase unlimited, profit type principal and interest due. Daily rate 10%, cycle 7 days. Number of purchase 6. Profit type principal and interest due. If you want to purchase product, click on the product, then type here investment amount, then type security code, then click on confirm, and you can easily purchase any product. So I click on, if you want to earn more money, just click on share, copy the invitation link and share with friends and earn a lot of money. Now I tell you the invite rule. You can see invite rule level VIP 1, invite rebate, deposit rebate, trading rebate. You can see all the details. You can see here all the detailed deposit quantity. My current deposit quantity is 0.636961 USDT. Current level VIP 1, and you can see base VIP 1. If you deposit in USDT, income 18%. VIP in VIP 2 deposit quantity 500 से लेकर you can see, and income 20%. Now I tell you, if you have any problems, you can easily contact the customer service of the site. Click on customer service button and you can easily chat with them. Now I tell you that how you can get withdraw. If you want to modify your password, login password, security password, just click on modify login password. You can easily modify your login password and also easily modify your security password. Now I tell how you can get withdraw. Just click on withdrawal. So guys, I click on withdrawal. Just type your you can also get withdraw in TRX and USDT both. You can easily get withdraw in TRX and also in USDT. Type the quantity. Here is my available balance, available withdrawal. Type your amount and just paste your wallet address and type your security password. Then click on confirm. When you click on confirm, you will receive the withdraw within 5 minutes. The withdraw amount is instantly. You can get withdraw instantly. So guys, I hope you like my video. Please share with friends and like my video, share, and also subscribe my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.